Fischer Special PVC Adhesive, the professional solution for rigid PVC pipe bonding, formulated with high-quality vinyl polymers for strong and reliable joints, colorless and translucent for clean and precise installations. Start by cutting the pipe at a right angle. Bevel the edges at 15 degrees. Clean and degrease the pipe and fitting before installation. Apply Fischer Special PVC adhesive evenly on both surfaces. Brush longitudinally towards the end of the pipe. Join the parts within 3 minutes. Push the pipe in firmly without twisting. Hold the joint steady. Remove excess adhesive. Wait 5 minutes before movement. Below 10 degrees Celsius, wait 15 minutes. Do not apply pressure above 1.5 atmospheres during the first 24 hours. Ideal for sanitation, water supply, irrigation, and pressure systems. Fischer Special PVC Adhesive, built for strength, trusted for performance.